Welcome back to TSG's Reviews and Stuff, everyone. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Mahogany skin for the iPad mini by Gadgetshieldz. Just like the Joker edition for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, this skin was sent to me by Gadgetshieldz themselves for me to review, so I'm really grateful to them for the same. However, as always, this will not affect my opinion about the skin itself to make sure that you make the best purchase decision. Now inside the package we get a plastic bag which contains the skin and a cleaning kit to facilitate the application process. The Mahogany skin seems to be made of a premium vinyl as expected from Gadgetshieldz. It feels very similar to a table made of sun mica, which is very interesting to see as I was personally expecting a very rough and woody feel. We also get some strips of paper for aligning the skin, but to be honest, you don't really need this. The device isn't that big for the consumer to be requiring these strips of paper for the alignment process. Gadgetshieldz has also provided a QR code for the tutorial on applying the skin, which I will talk more about later. Inside the cleaning kit are some stickers to remove the dust particles, a wet wipe, and a cleaning cloth. I'll be applying the skin off camera so that I can take my time with it and apply it properly. Hopefully it'll turn out nice. So guys, here it is, the Mahogany skin for the iPad mini 6th gen. It looks fabulous and feels incredibly good to hold in the hand. The cutouts are very precise overall, but I did notice a very subtle error with the Apple logo, as you can see. Now, it's not something you're going to notice easily. You really need to look at it closely to notice it. But I felt that it was something that needed to be pointed out. But other than that, everything else just seems to fit perfectly with no errors. Now, for the application process, I'll be honest about it. Only watch the video made by D-Brand. The reason is that the tutorial made by Gadgetshieldz hasn't been updated for the newer iPad models. This was surprising as the latest design has been out for years. I hope Gadgetshieldz updates their tutorial video for the newer iPads as well. The video link is in the description. Follow the tutorial with patience and you'll manage to apply the skin easily. Another good thing about the back only skin is that you can pretty much use any case without ripping off the edges, which is a big plus point, especially if you have a transparent back like mine. Coming back to the skin itself, this is a straightforward and elegant design which gives your iPad a very unique feel. You really can't go wrong with the Mahogany skin. It's too good to pass down, especially if you're in the market for a skin that resembles a wooden design or if you just want an elegant skin for your device. The price is a little high in my opinion, but if you can afford it, this is the skin to buy. I highly recommend this product. So guys, that's pretty much it for the short review. I hope this was helpful to the viewers who are in the market for some skins for their iPads. Once again, a big shout out to Gadgetshieldz for sending me this skin to review. I really appreciate it. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. And if you have any questions regarding the skin, let me know in the comments section. I'll be happy to help. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.